In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Among Us online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you simple instructions on how to properly set up an online lobby for Among Us or how to join other people. This is going to work for every single platform where Among Us is available. So all that you have to do is open the game, and as long as you have a strong internet connection, you will be able to connect into online. So double check to see if you are connected to the internet. If you aren't sure, usually you will have to go to the system settings or to the settings of your console, and after you are done setting up an internet connection, just go over to play. Immediately upon selecting play, you will find the two main ways of connecting. You have local when you have other people over on the same platform, and then you have online, which is the focus of this video. So all that you have to do here is select online, and you will get this message here. How does this work? Hosting a game gives you a game code near the start button. Share the game code with friends to create a private room, or tap private to make the room public for find game, and you will be able to all connect together. So essentially you just choose between making a private room or public, and then you can connect depending on how the room is set up. If you just want to join random people, just click the option to find a game, and you will be matched up in the same region that you have selected here, North America, Europe, or Asia. Alternatively, if you want to play privately between you and your friends, just click the option here to create a game. You will be able to set everything up. I'm not going to go over the options for this video, but you should take your time and carefully set them up, and in here the code will be displayed. So let's say, for example, you wanted to connect into my room so we could play together. All that you would have to do is note down this code, TBCODG, and as you saw in your online menu, you would be able to go over here to private and enter the code. So after the code has been entered, just click join. Of course, I won't be able to demonstrate this because I'm recording this video alone, but this is all you have to do to play Among Us online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Among Us online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.